everyone, I'm Sally. Welcome again to Fondant Diary. This time I'm going to make a baby refill cake in pink and light blue colors with a couple of cute fondant elephants for the toppers. Without any further ado, let's get to the tutorial. First, prepare a cake and cover with light blue fondant. Brush the bottom part with water. Roll out pink fondant and cut one side evenly. Measure the width of the fondant, which is half of the height of the cake, and cut into waves. Stick the pink fondant to the cake except for the top part. Try not to stick it so that it can be bent outward. Next, make the second layer shoulder. Shape it sharp for the one end. Brush with water. Thin the edges. And stick the fondant starting from the sharp end for the front side of the cake. Shape the second end sharply as well and connect it with the first end. Next, I will make a pink and a light blue ribbons. And I dry the fondant ribbons in an air conditioner room. Next, I'm going to make a couple of cute fondant elephants. I will make one elephant in standing position and the other in a sitting position. These are the legs for the standing fondant elephant. This is a stick to support the body and head of the fondant elephant that is in a sitting position. Now I will make the heads of the elephants. Now I will stick the ribbons. Now I will place the fondant elephants on the top of the cake. Make a distance between the elephants so that it is easy to attach other elephants' body parts such as ears and hands. Now I'm making the elephant's tails. For the male elephant, I will give a crown, and for the female elephant, I will give flowers on her head. I colored the inside of the elephant's ears with pink food coloring mixed with a little water. Here it is, the baby gender refill cake with elephant's fondant toppers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!